In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to create HTTP delete request. By the end of the lesson, you're gonna learn how to delete data from database. For example, we see here our endpoint that's display the data of box, list of box. Let's learn how to delete a couple of box here. So let's jump to our code and let's create a new function. Const delete box by ID, and it's gonna be async function, and inside async function we're gonna add try and catch block. I have here a snippet called try catch, just added the try block and the catch block. As you've learned before, you can try the snippet or you can pause the video and type it like this. Inside try, see this line of code, we're gonna type something like this: const response equals to await Axios library dot, and instead of get we're gonna add delete. Okay, and we're gonna pass our endpoint. So we're gonna add our endpoint URL and add slash, and after the slash we're gonna add the ID of the book that we want to delete. For example, we want to delete the book number, the book with ID 7, so let's add 7. And just let's create an alert dot alert book is deleted successfully. And if we got an error, we can just console.log this error. Okay, now let's create a new button to try this function. So let's create a new button with title delete book, and when we press on this button we're gonna just pass this function delete book by ID. And now let's press save. Now we got here a new button called delete book. When we press on it, we're gonna delete the book with ID 7. So now let's press on this button. Book is deleted successfully. And let's go to our endpoint. Let's go to, we got here a 7 of box. When we refresh it, look what we have in here. We have only 6 of book. The book number 7 is deleted. Let's try to delete the book with ID 2, with the author Lewis. So let's delete the book of ID 2. Let's go here and just instead of number 7, ID 7, we can just add ID 2 and press save. And now let's press on delete book. Now book is deleted successfully. Let's go to our database, the endpoint that represents the database, and let's refresh to see. Look, now we got a book with ID 1 and 3. The book with ID 2 is deleted. At the beginning of the video we have 7 books, but now we have only 5. Finally, let's try to delete this book with ID number 3, the book with angle corona. So let's go here and add ID number 3 and press save. And let's press on this button. Book is deleted successfully. So let's go to our list of books again and try to refresh. Now if you notice here, we got here only 4 books, and the book with ID number 3 of angle corona has been deleted. What happens if we delete a book doesn't exist? Let's try it. Nothing happened, but we get an error in the log. Let's see. Axios error, request failed with the status code 404. So that's the benefit of try and catch, because the book with ID 3 is already deleted. We got this error here, 404. Now you've learned how to get data and delete the data. you still need to learn how to add data to database and how to update the data in database. And that's what we're gonna learn in next lessons.